I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June of 2025 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, share ko lang kasi madami po nagtatanong bakit dalawa yung channel. Yung una ko kasing channel is Babaylan TV. So, yan po yung ating international channel. Then, naisip ko bakit hindi tayo mag-cater doon sa mga Pinoy audiences. Kaya, nabuhay or pinanganak itong Timeless Tarot 111. Alright? So, after a few years, yun, sabi ko, bakit hindi gumawa ng isa pang channel para sa mga Pinoy naman? No? Yeah, I hope that na clear tayo doon. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin dito, Libra. The Six of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Three of Swords. So para kasing Libra, ang energy dito is hindi natin, kumbaga, we just go with the flow, no? Kung saan tayo dadalhin, kung saan tayo, kung saan mapupunta itong connection na ito. So parang wala tayong masyadong apila, no? Meron naman tayong mga gawa, pero chances are, hinahayaan natin yung person natin, yung mag-drive ng connection, no? So kumbaga siya ang nasusunod. Sometimes, syempre may mga request tayo, meron tayong mga gustong mangyari, pero kumbaga more lenient tayo. So there you go. Naging lenient tayo dito sa connection. Kung ano yung gusto niya, kung paano siya mapapasaya, kung ano yung feeling mo, no? Yung ikaliligaya ng person mo, nandun tayo. With the Wheel of Fortune, I feel like ngayon ka lang ba na in love ng ganito? Kasi I feel like hindi ka naman ganito sa mga dating person mo. O hindi ka ganito sa ibang tao. The Wheel of Fortune, naging mas tayo ngayon more of mapagbigay in many ways. It could be money-wise, it could be your time, energy, effort. So parang talaga nakatutok tayo dito kay person, no? With the Temperance and the Seven of Swords. Ay. So, tinest ba masyado ang patience natin nito? Kasi it felt like may nangyayari na, hindi lang tayo talaga nagsasalita. Meron tayong mga napapansin na hindi maganda, hindi maayos. Meron tayong mga bagay na dapat sana kinall out na natin. But then again, we choose not to, probably because of ayaw mong lumaki yung gulo. But then again, itong hindi natin pagsasalita, it creates more mess, no? With the Seven of Swords, parang feeling natin minsan, bakit parang nawawala yung focus si person? For a few numbers of you, baka kasi nagkakaroon ng hinala, no? Na there is a third party or someone is already, how do we say it? Meron ng third party, no? Or baka feeling natin merong third party. Whether it is true or not, meron tayong gut feeling na something is fishy, no? Merese. With the Page of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. The Three of Cups may be a double-edged card kasi, parang double-edged sword, no? It can mean celebrations, but it can also mean a third-party situation as well. But with the Page of Pentacles, I feel like siguro, no, nag-uusap itong or may kausap na itong person mo pero hindi naman siya yung sa personal. Pwedeng kalaro nito sa ML, naku madalas yan, or sa social media accounts. I think like there may be plans. If this is not romantic, I feel like there's really someone that kind of like a bad influence, no? Dito sa person mo. With the Five of Pentacles, ayan, the Knight of Pentacles, uy, and the World card. So, nakikita natin yung changes na dati, magpapaalam lang sandali, no? Parang ngayon, meron ng time na, naku, parang humahaba yung oras. To a point na inuumaga na. To a point na lagi na siyang wala, no? With the Knight of Pentacles, hindi pa rin natin masyadong binubuhos no? Either ayaw natin magtanong, natatakot tayo, or naitanong na natin pero hindi na natin inuli. But something really wrong in this energy, which I feel like you should do something, say something. Let's check the Five of Pentacles clarified by the Death card and the Ten of Pentacles. Nangyayari to usually sa mga married couples or dito sa in a relationship, no? May trabaho naman. Meron namang mga times na bakit wala namang nabibili, bakit nauubos yung pera? I feel like meron na itong pinagkakagastusan, no? The Death card here, siguro, no? I feel like medyo sandali lang naman ito, pero kahit na, it's actually not an excuse, no? For a person to sabihin natin, tumikim lang naman ng ibang putahe. Kahit na, it's not actually normal. It may be normal, no? Sa kung toxic masculinity ang pinag-uusapan natin or toxic femininity, it doesn't matter. Siguro normal ito nung mga panahon noon. Pero yung ngayon, meron na talagang pinaglalaban yung human rights. I feel like morally, kahit pa noon, hindi naman ito tama. Pero kasi may mga masochism, I feel like hindi, yun yung mga mga proudest moment nung mga nung mga lumang panahon, which I feel like ngayon hindi naman na siya dapat gawing, proud sa ganung actions. With the Two of Swords, of course, and the Four of Swords. So, nandito na tayo sa part na medyo nagdadalawang isip na tayo kung tayo ba ay magsiseparate na, no? Kung tayo ba ay tatapusin na natin itong relationship natin. For a few numbers of you, siguro, oo. Yung iba, already decided. And ngayon, nagpapahinga, nagpapalakas, ayaw muna makipag-usap, ayaw muna, no? Nakausapin din itong person na ito. Chances are, healing, no? Nag-heal, whether it is nag-heal ka, while you are on a separation or nag-heal ka right after the separation. Healing is what's important in here. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, diyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman tayo magtanong sa comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Na dun po yung name, number, QR code, no? Amount per questions, of course. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, na dun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn. I am seeing, yeah, Sagittarius is very dominant in here. Uh, Pisces. Did I just mention Pisces a while ago? Hold up. No, King of Pentacles here. No, that's just Scorpio. Yeah. So I think that that is napaka-dominant ng Sagittarius dito. I don't know why. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart.